Hello, that day after the new year. So this is me after almost no sleep and way too many sweets, and I'm still going out to celebrate. So this is my 5-minute makeup. I'll show you how to stop overdoing your makeup and still glow in just 5 minutes. If you have blemishes or dark circles, it's fine, no one cares, and it's your face, not a full glam mask today. This is the day after New Year makeup. Meeting friends, casual, effortless, and let's begin. Moisturizer first. You don't want wet skin, so you want moisture with a velvet finish. This is my one and only cream, and I love the texture. Honestly, applying cream is probably the longest part of the makeup. How was your celebration? Mine is usually Sherlock, puzzles, and sweets, traditions. But this time we were with friends and playing Monopoly in Serbian, so fun. So what about you? Foundation. I choose a matte one, but my skin feels dehydrated and don't want full coverage today. So mix foundation and moisturizer in equal proportions. Basically, I create my own face tint. I apply it with my hands like a regular cream. Fast, easy, and natural. And then I add the second thin layer only where needed, around the nose and under the eyes. No concealer today. I always warm everything up with my hands. Look how skin-like it looks. Sometimes hands work even better than brushes or sponges. And I've been a professional makeup artist for over 10 years. During wedding season, I used to do makeup 4, maybe 6 times a day. And so yes, a lot of practice, lots of skin types, lots of mistakes. And that's why I can explain why textures works and the way they do. But today I'm just a little bit lazy and it's fine for me. The base is matte and already set. And let's do lips. So lip liner is a must and it's my favorite step. I slightly turn my head while drawing the line and it makes it easier to keep it straight. Then I blend the edges with my fingertip for a soft gradient. On top, a brownish gloss with the sparkles. It fits nicely when you eat and you can reapply it anywhere, even without a mirror. Now, blush. I use a fluffy synthetic brush and baked blush from Hourglass. My favorite one, it's timeless. And since we are going out and it's cold, I add a bit more. I'm pale and I need to look alive. So I apply blush to cheeks, nose, eyes, chin, and forehead. Yes, I use it as eyeshadow too. And finally, a touch of bronzer, just to add soft shadow and structure. This shade is perfect for me, not too orange, which is rare in winter, and just enough warmth. I mix it with a leftover just blush on the brush, so everything blends naturally and softly. I love to apply it around the perimeter of the face, cheekbones, jawline, a touch on the sides of the nose, and over the eyes. On the eyes, it looks like a very soft smoky, not strong, not overdone. Even without mascara, the face already looks fresh. Eyebrows. I wanted to buy a new pencil before Christmas during Black Friday, and I completely forgot, and this one is almost finished. So, I don't change the natural shape, I just fill in the empty areas and slightly define the tail. Very thin strokes, not too wide. If brows get too thick, proportions change and hooded lids started to look a little bit heavier. Then you need more lashes and eyeshadow to balance everything, so you just need to focus on your natural proportions of the face. So, I'll stop here and add a touch of mascara. Not like I usually do. I'm lazy to remove heavy makeup at night, so this is a tubing mascara. Warm water and it's done. So no mascara remover needed here, and compare, by the way, both sides. Just wow. Sometimes I honestly think the face looks softer without mascara, and the eyes even more open. But I love black accents here, so I need at least one mascara or pencil, so I choose the mascara today. And that's our final result. Timeless, fresh, and effortless. I love that type of makeup. I can go for a walk, meet friends, family, go to university, or work in the office. This is a basic and real life makeup. And even without extra brownish gloss on top of the lip liner, it looks fresher and less bold. Tell me about your days now. Cozy at home or out with friends? City or countryside? Warm seaside or mountains? I'll start. Warm seaside or home alone with a skincare and hair care. My absolute vibe. So that's it. See you soon. Bye.